Audi, and I got a Golf.
Is that RS6?
I don't really know.
It's a wagon, that's nice. Max, what do you got?
Yeah, Dad, it's a RX6.
I don't know what this one is.
It's
a CRX?
This is a Honda.
Honda CRX?
You don't say it!
Max, show it up. I can't see it.
Honda.
Yeah,
This is a zip line you can transform a boat. A zip line in a car.
Let me see the
You mean a
Honda.
helicopter?
Yeah.
And
Let me see the Honda.
it's old.
Hondas.
Whoa.
Hondas.
What is up, guys? We're here with another video of Ableton's Auto House. I'm Matt. We're going to be showing you guys how to do some interior trim pieces inside the car. Laying the fabric, putting it on, making sure the glue is tacked and sticky and all that. And we're going to show you exactly how we do interior trim pieces. Alright guys, this is all you need to do this job. Rubbing alcohol, 3M adhesive, razor blade, and shears. That's it. So if you're a DIY guy, you might want to stay tuned and check out the rest of this video.
The plastic is gonna get ripped off here, and we're gonna put on new interior. Look at all that glue.
And we're going to prep the panels, get them ready for paint. All this old stuff here. That glue off. And I'm going to take a Brillo pad to some of the harder stuff here and try to get that off. You can just use the SOS Brillo pad from your grocery store. And we're just going to clean that off. See all that old glue coming off?
Yep.
We're gonna clean this piece up because I found out that it is actually gray Alcantara interior. I thought it was black suede, that was my fault, but it's actually gray, so we don't have to paint anything. We're just gonna clean these up and make them look nice again. Okay, so all I'm trying to do is get this down to regular bare plastic. It's gonna take a lot of scrubbing to get all this old glue off. But this is a crucial step because if you don't get the old glue off, it won't stick. So this one's all ready to go. This is an example of what it's supposed to look like. Got a little bit here, but that won't matter. But once this is all finished, this one's all finished, then we'll tack them and get all the material off with a alcohol pad or something of that sort. on these sides here, so we can actually glue the fabric on the back side so it actually wraps around tight and keeps it looking uniform on here. So you just kind of take the material and make sure you got enough to overhang. So that should be enough right there. So now I got the 3M yellow adhesive. Kids are away safely in another room because we don't want them breathing this in. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area because this stuff is very, very contaminant to your lungs. So I have a garage door open and everything else like that, so this will be good enough to be ventilated here. So we're going to go ahead and spray this on. Make sure there's nothing on here. And just give it a nice give that probably about 1 to 2 minutes to tack, and then we're going to apply the fabric. Okay, so we're back here. We're going to go ahead and take our fabric, and we're going to lay it gently down onto the trim piece. Just make sure you get it all uniform. You got ends here, and then ends over here. And you want to start applying it at the highest point and then work your way down. So you just kind of feel around for where everything sits and make sure you start small and work your way big. Don't want to go too much area at once because then it'll get bubbles and creases and stuff like that. So just want to kind of feel around here, make sure you're getting it all on. To get it to all the other corners. So we're going to go ahead and take a slit here, right down the middle. Almost like a plus sign in the big areas like this. Like that. You can do your final cuts later on, but for now you just kind of want to work with it while the glue is still a little wet. Make sure you use a sharp razor blade, oh my god. That's all I had laying around. I guess guess you could say I was a little unprepared for this. Work, so it's going to be very time consuming, but believe me, it's worth it when you see the final result. You're very happy with what you got. This is it right here. This is what it looks like when you're all done. This is all back together for the seatbelt, and this is what I was telling you about, the part where you have to trim all of that. See how we cut alongside the inside here and glued it on the inside and left enough to wrap it around the side. So that is going to be the final trim piece, all done. It looks good. It's going to look really good inside. So the headliner is going to be last, but we're going to do the little pieces for now because we don't have enough material for the headliner. But we're going to put the order in for the material for the headliner and get that coming in too.
I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and hit that bell today. Bye.